So I just sent him a message. It's so funny. Have a look, guys. Have you got any more questions? Oh Lord. Hi guys, good morning, welcome back to our channel. My name is Jovi, and for today's video we're going to take you with us, guys. I'm so sorry for the nilabhan sa likod, guys, because it's been raining the last couple of days, so we had to take them all in. But today we are going on a fridge hunt. Yay! So yesterday, guys, our fridge, oh, hang on, let's turn the light on because it's, so our 3-year-old fridge, guys, decided to retire. So this one is the Hisense one. So Dada bought it 3 years ago, and then it decided to not work anymore. We've been buying ice to keep us food, you know, cool. But we had the technician came yesterday, and he said, because we thought that, you know, we could get it fixed, because buying a new one, it will be very expensive. So we opted to actually get it fixed instead. And then yeah, so the guy came yesterday and he confirmed that this is done, like you can't get it fixed anymore, and yeah, better to get a new one. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, guys. We are going to shop for a new fridge. Yeah, so I feel sad that this is going, guys, because, you know, 3 years, I think that's a really short time for a fridge, you know what I mean? Like, I know someone who got their fridge for years and years, or maybe a decade, and it's still working fine. But this one is only for 3 years, and very unfortunate because the warranty is for 3 years, but the 3-year ended September, so it's now November. So we just missed that date, guys. But anyways, everything happened for a reason. So yeah, come with us. It's gonna be fun because I love shopping, guys, as you all know. But got Mimi. Ooh, it's so dark this way. I'm so dark. So got my sister Mimi, and God, it's a bit messy in here. And you, honey, and Paris. Coco. So yeah, we're gonna go now, guys, and yeah, see you again soon. So hi again, guys. We're in the car now. Say hi. Paris in the back. So we're just gonna drive to High Point now, guys, and hopefully we'll find the right one. So yeah, we'll see you soon. We're here. You have family, baby. Hey, bye-bye. Show the good guys. We are here. We're going to Good Guys first. Guys. Good guys. Good guys. Someone's waving. Batista. She going? Okay. Okay, I'll park there. Oh, yeah, good working. Bangat ko, guys. Nani na maligya sa Good Guys. We're here now, guys. The Good Guys. So Mimi is just taking Paris out from the car, and we'll put her in the pram, guys. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Oh, is that your lollipop? Lollipop. Is that your lollipop, honey? Yummy, yummy.
Yay.
Yummy, yummy. Good idea gitu today, ma.
My from?
No, lollipop. Okay. Alright, we're going. So, show your OTD, Mak. So, OTD for Mingay. She's wearing my my
Everything.
Moschino sneakers, guys, and just a normal track pants and a black top, and also my bag.
No, my bag.
Yeah, wait.
It's my bag.
Imo bag? Let me show mine, Mak. Oh, maybe here. Sure. I'm gonna show you mine, guys. Where's the nice lighting?
Here.
Here. So I'm wearing my Gucci sneakers. So guys, naghanap ko halin guys sa mong kuan, sibuyas. Sibuyas ug tanlad. Just got my white top and denim skirt. So yeah, guys, just be comfortable. Did I lock the car? Okay. Mak, oh, batang sa sakyan na. Sakyan na. So we'll see. Hey, come on, let's go. Bye. 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 Play less every day. Okay, guys. Good Guys is actually a place where you can get all your appliances needs. So straight to the fridge. No? You want phone? Nice.
You need to change my phone. Now.
Next decade.
Today.
Oh, where's the fridge?
Over there.
Where's the fridge, guys? No, that's not what we need. We go direct to
Ba?
what we need. But that's
For
very nice.
experience lang ba? See? So nice.
Very, very nice.
Like this one. Cube or crush.
3,195. Oh, I so love this one, guys. If only I can get this.
Space, no?
Yeah.
Making space.
Guys, double door, and then the freezer is down here.
Difference. Wait, it's expensive.
Yeah.
The same. The height.
But yeah, we only need like a single door, guys. That's all we can afford. So guys, Daddy's not here with us today because he went to watch the UFC. So I'm here. I have to choose what I want, although Dada said it has to be Samsung or LG. And also, of course, on budget. So we'll see. Most of these are double doors. Ah, there it is there. It's the single doors.
Mama!
Yes, my love. It's actually very nice, this one, guys.
Oh, look at this one. This one.
Although, yeah.
Please.
Yeah, Mike doesn't want the freezer to be down. Hi, how are you? We're just after. Sorry.
These are 171. 700.
Oh.
So it's not that good. And Samsung, you can change the freezer into a fridge.
Guys, so many options. Actually, I love them all. Open this one, ma. So I like this one, guys.
Kung ako kanya ako.
Yeah, but it's more expensive. We don't want to spend that much. Looks so nice, guys. So the freezer is down in the bottom, but Dada doesn't like it. He wants the freezer to be on top. So
That's fine. Di man permitigan nito every gabi naman magluto si Kuya kani always water.
well, the question is, do we have the money for it? That's 1,200. So this small oh, no, it's not here. It's 458 liters, guys. At the moment, we have the 350. We should have measured it properly.
Ano naman sa di mo kukuha na.
Ang atong space ba sa balay?
Din down ka. Hindi ka pa up.
I need to call Daddy. So this one, guys, got the water dispenser. So nice. Have a look at the other one. So Daddy said, guys, never come home with a white fridge. It has to be silver or black. So this is the one we have at home right now, guys. It's so tiny. It's only 350 liters. Yes, honey. So guys, I just sent a video to Daddy for this one, and I think we're going to go with this one, guys. So I just sent him a message. It's so funny. Have a look, guys. Have you got any more questions? Oh Lord. But yeah, I think we're gonna go with this one, guys. What do you think? We'll see, we'll see. Have another look. Which one you like, honey?
200.
Which one you like? No, I think of all these ones here, I think that one looks really nice. But it's just a look though. B? Ano B? Uy, careful sa Paris! Alan! Baby girl. Shh. Baby. Dance? Dance? Dance?
Sleep.
Yeah, that's the only yeah, we just keep buying ice cream. So we're back in the car now, guys. We decided to get the one that we really like. So I called daddy and he said, you know, if I'm happy with that one, just get that one. So we had a really good deal, guys, I must say, because that fridge was 1,199, so technically it's, you know, 1,200, and then to get like a 5 years warranty, it's an extra $169, and then for delivery, guys, it's another $74. So I don't know, my math is not working at the moment, so I'm not gonna try. But the sales guy told me, guys, if I'm going to pay like cash, like, you know, so if I'm going to pay cash, guys, then they can do a better price. So they charge us for everything, guys, for the fridge, for the 5 years warranty, and for the delivery, guys, they charge us $1,198. so basically they just charge us the amount of the fridge without the 5 years warranty and the delivery, which I think it's very awesome. I think that's amazing, because I mean, also with that delivery, with the $74 delivery, guys, it also includes the installation, also removing the old fridge, guys, because obviously the fridge that we have at the moment, you know, it's not working anymore, so we have to get rid of that, and then the guy said, you know, we can include that with the price, like they can just, you know, remove the old fridge and throw it away somewhere, and yeah, they will install the new fridge. I think that's a pretty good deal. I think we're very, you know, happy with the outcome, guys, and yeah, so that's the receipt there. So we're gonna keep this for warranty purposes, but yeah, I think, yeah, that was amazing. I had fun actually, guys. We didn't go anywhere else, we just stayed at the Good Guys, because before we came here we actually did a research, and yeah, we decided to actually get it from the store. So we didn't go to JB Hi-Fi or anywhere else, just the good guys. And I must say, they're definitely the good guys. The guy who was helping us was very, very helpful, knowledgeable, and he definitely know what he's doing. So yeah, that's about it. Actually guys, the delivery won't take place until tomorrow, because that's what happens, guys. They can't do it the same day. They have to do it the next day. So that's fine. We'll just keep buying ice for tonight. And then by tomorrow we'll have our new fridge. So we're gonna show you tomorrow, guys, what it looks like and all. But for now, we're just gonna say bye. Honey, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye. Yeah, Paris starting to soak now, guys, so we better make a move. But yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for being with us today, for going shopping with us. And please hit the subscribe button. I would like you to be part of this family. And don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Bye. Say bye-bye to the fridge. Bye-bye. So that's the old... Guys, they're here. Our fridge is here, guys. So they took the old one already, and then we're gonna clean that up. Can't wait. So that's a perfect width, isn't it, Daddy? We could have still get hollow one, but I think that's fine. Is that your new fridge, honey?
Should I take this off?
Which
Oh,
one?
you gotta take it off, yeah. Yeah, you have to take it off.
You take it off. Is this your new fridge, Baba? Parish. Whoa. What's that, honey? Wait. What's that? No. Where's the paperwork, there, Daddy? Like the manual eye should be under there.
What?
That one. Oh, love it.
Should I keep that on?
Huh?
It's digital, no, it's not a knob. Yeah? Get what I mean?
Oh, yeah. Oh. It's definitely bigger than the old one, isn't it, Daddy?
Wanna be? It costs an extra.
Oh, it's the freezer.
It costs an extra double price.
Yeah, it's double the price. So do you like the fridge?
Yeah, it's very nice. Once you go black, you never go back.
Are you proud of me for choosing this?
Choosing it?
I chose it.
I'm very proud of you, Mama.
Thank you. Is it gonna stay with us forever? I
Huh?
hope so.
Yes.
You happy with this, yeah?
Mm.
Well done, Daddy. Thank you for buying it, Daddy.